to give intermittent hypoxia to your heart. There's a particular yoga technique. Oxygen poisoning, like for example, we used to, all premature children, as soon as they're born, we used to give them oxygen. And now all these children have become blind because it destroys the retina. Each time you try to help someone, your health improves. Your blood pressure comes down, your heart improves, your sugar comes down, your cholesterol comes down. Cholesterol is good now, anyway. And if you know yoga, there's a beautiful way of how to give intermittent hypoxia to your heart. There's a particular yoga technique. I am not going into that now, but I'm telling you, if you want to know, it's very easy to give your heart less oxygen, Peter. So, oxygen poisoning, like for example, we used to, all premature children, as soon as they're born, we used to give them oxygen. And now all these children have become blind because it destroys the retina. So now we have learned, but our ancestors, the germs, knew about it long, long ago. So then the germs did something else, and that's very important. Listen very carefully. They said, Paropakarartham idam shariram. We must help others. Do you know what they did? They donated a DNA, and made the first nucleated cell, which is called the zygote, that you and I wear in our mother's womb. So you are not monkeys to have become man, like Darwin's theory. Survival of the fittest. There is nothing survival of the fittest actually. If supposing I were a fish, why would I want to be a bird? Supposing I am a fish, very easy to move about. Buoyancy will keep you up. You just move about. You have only one circulation, no lungs. So you have no pulmonary circulation. So no pulmonary hypertension, no TB, no operation, the lung, nothing, no lung at all. And the gills will do that. And why would you want to be a bird? So we have not been fishes and then snakes and then birds and then become man. Supposing we were snakes, let us say. Why would I want to be a man? Snake is very lucky. The snake has no coronary artery at all. Snake can suck the blood to the muscle directly through holes in the endocardium. So each time the heart contracts, the blood goes out of the muscle. Each time it relaxes, blood comes into the muscle. That is what we do in total myocardial infarction. If you have a very bad coronary artery disease, what we do is we make laser holes in the endocardium and leave it like that. So you become a snake. Now why would you want to be a man if you are a snake? So all that is wrong. I would like you to read this lady who has done a lot of work, almost a lifetime's work on evolutionary biology. Her name is Elisabeth Sahtouris. Elisabeth, P-E-T. And Sahtouris, S-A-H-T-O-U-R-I-S. And she has done an enormous amount of work. And she has shown so beautifully that it is because of the generosity of the germs, our ancestors, that we are here. So what does it show? That our life here must be to help others. Not as an obligation. You have to do that because you are here because of someone else's largesse. Did you get that now? So it makes a lot of sense to say,